This is the precise building procedure for the Maristella Batelina kit, based on a first-time builder's successful log. First, unbox and inspect the high-quality unwarped wood and precise laser-cut parts. Begin assembly by fixing the keel and bulkheads into a simple homemade keel clamp to ensure a straight, strong framework.
Next, meticulously fair or smooth the entire hull skeleton. This critical step ensures every surface is even for planking. Now, start the single-layer hull planking. Work slowly, plank by plank, using custom clamps to ensure each piece sits flush. Soak, bend, and carefully fit the top gallant rails using a jig and controlled heat, learning from any trial and error.
Once planking is complete, install the interior components like seats and flooring. Perform final sanding for a smooth finish. Apply your chosen finish like Minwax Wipe-On Poly to achieve the desired luster. Finally, display your completed traditional Adriatic fishing boat with pride. Remember, success comes from the kit's quality, the manual's guidance, and the supportive modeling community.